Hi everyone, I'm in Belgrade, Serbia. Excited to be here to share with you in this video what's happening in this gorgeous country. And in terms of COVID, or shall I say no COVID, excited to share with you what's happening, traveling to some beautiful countries that have little if any restrictions right now, and really want to share this with the world because no one else is sharing this. And I'm just feeling so grateful to be here, so excited to be here with my friend, and there she is, and excited to share with you these incredible adventures. So you may have seen in my video that I made just before this one about Tanzania. We just left Tanzania. We were there for, I was there for 3 weeks, my friend was there for 6 weeks, and it was incredible to experience a country where the president has declared the country COVID-free. And it's incredible. I can share so much here, but you know what? Go visit that other video. There's a link below so that you can visit that other video and see what that's all about. So incredible, the information that we really all just need to know, whether it's just to create change for our own lives and for the world itself, but also to have so much hope for what's happening in other parts of the world. So let me tell you about what's happening in Belgrade, Serbia, in this gorgeous country. So back in March, when the whole world closed down for COVID last year, this country, of course, closed down as well, and there was a lockdown. And there was also an election that was coming up in June. And for the election, the president was hoping to be re-elected. And so there was this big campaign, of course, and the people were very, very vocal about not wanting to re-elect him if he were to continue with the lockdown. And so every night at 9 p.m. they would go to the balconies and they would bang on pots and pans and make tons of noise, and that was part of this protest. The elections were coming in June and he wanted to be re-elected, and so what did he do right before the elections? He ended the lockdown. And the people were excited. It was life back to normal in May, end of May, and then of course he was re-elected. And when he was re-elected, there's a picture I'm going to be posting here, he actually was showing everyone, look, no social distancing, no masks, we're excited, we just got re-elected. So then the country enjoyed a few weeks of freedom when, beginning of July, he decided that once again he was going to do a lockdown, but this time a much stronger lockdown, a much more intense lockdown. And so the people protested, and what happened was they went to the Congress buildings in mass numbers and did a mass protest for days and days until finally the president lifted the lockdown. And now, as you can see, this place is open. It's now it's February actually, 2021, when we're visiting here. And we've asked so many people, what's going on here? What's happening with the economy? Have you guys suffered? And people are saying no. Pretty much everything's normal. The only thing is it's less tourism here, but that they haven't really been affected. How incredible is this story?